resting on a hollow dream, floating in a silver stream. Salt hair lifts the weight of time beyond the edge, where water meets the blue. Tracing paths no compass can define. I drift away to find a world made new. White foam breaks against the silent shore. Soft tides calling through the morning haze. I don't need solid ground or more, just the vastness of these liquid days. Salt air lifts the weight of time beyond the edge, where water meets the blue. Tracing past, no compass can define. I drift away to find a world made new. Silver stretches to the far unknown. Golden currents pull against the sand. In the swell I find the outgrown. Every border of the crowded land. Salt air lifts the weight of time beyond the edge, where water meets the blue. Tracing paths no compass can define. I drift away to find a world made new. Salt air lifts the weight of time beyond the edge, where water meets the blue. Tracing paths no compass can define. I drift away to find a world made new. Salt air lifts the weight of time beyond the edge, where water meets the blue. Tracing paths no compass can define. I drift away to find a world made new. White foam breaks against the silent shore. Soft tides calling through the morning haze. I don't need the solid ground no more, just the vastness of these liquid days. Salt air lifts the weight of time beyond the edge, where water meets the blue. Tracing paths no compass can define. I drift away to find the world made new. Silver stretches to the far